Hello ma'am, myself Hemant Poti from class 10th B. Here I am going to present multidisciplinary project which topic which I took, that is ozone layer and how it is being depleted. So let's go. Index, it is we'll able to know that what are the contents. Introduction. Here in this slide we'll able to know that what is ozone layer and how it is being depleted. So the main question, what is ozone layer? The ozone layer or the ozone shield is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiations. It contains a high concentration of ozone O3 in relation to the other parts of the atmosphere, although still small in relation to other gases in the stratosphere. The ozone layer contains less than 10 parts per million of ozone, while the average ozone concentration in Earth's atmosphere as a whole is about zero point 0.3 parts per million. The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of the stratosphere from approximately 15 to 35 km above the Earth, although its thickness varies seasonally and geographically. Here are some threats to ozone layer. It may be a global warming, some human activities, and specific kind of chemical reaction includes chlorine, bromine, CFCs, HFCs, etc. This particular chemical leads to ozone threat. How? We'll see forward. Main question we rises here, that how does ozone depletion occurs? The main cause of ozone depletion and the ozone hole is manufactured chemically, especially manufactured halocarbons, refrigerants, solvents, propellants, and from blowing agents, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, HFCs, HCFCs, sorry, halons, referred to as ozone depleting substances, ODS. These compounds are transported into the stratosphere by turbulent mixing after being emitted from the surface, mixing much faster than the molecules can settle. Once in the stratosphere, they release halogen atoms through photo dissociations, which catalyzes the breakdown of ozone O3 into oxygen O2. Both type of ozone depletion were observed to increase as emission of halocarbons increased. What is ozone hole? The term ozone hole refers to the depletion of the protective ozone layer in the upper atmosphere, maybe in stratosphere, over Earth's polar region. People, plants, and animals living under the ozone hole are harmed by the solar radiation now reaching the Earth's surface, where it causes health problems from eye damage to skin care. Stratospheric ozone is constantly produced by the action of the sun's ultraviolet radiation on oxygen molecules, known as photochemical reactions. Although ozone is created primarily at tropical latitudes, large-scale air circulation patterns in the lower stratospheric move ozone towards the poles, where its concentration builds up. Here, the main thing is that in 1980s, scientists discovered that the ozone layer was thinning in the lower stratosphere, which particularly dramatic ozone loss, known as the ozone hole in the Antarctic Spring from September to October. Cause on human beings and all living creatures of ozone depletion would be ozone depletion is a major environmental problem because it increases the amount of UV rays direct towards Earth. These ultraviolet rays UV are harmful and dangerous for human beings and other living organisms. Due to increased amount of UV rays results to skin cancer, sunburn, permanent blindness for humans. Due to increased temperature, poles will get melting and this would be very bad nightmare to all polar organisms. Glaciers will start melting and this will lead to increase to sea level. So that would be most bad thing which all living organism will suffer from. Conclusion, we came here for ozone depletion. Thinning of ozone layer means increased skin related diseases. In recent decades, because of the release of large quantities of man-made organohalocompounds, the ozone layer is depleting. If the Earth loses the protection of ozone layer, then the life on the planet will be at a great risk. Nature is undoubtedly God's gift to mankind. The air we breathe, the food which we eat, and the water we drink all this come from the nature. Even when we want to escape from human from daily life, we look going to mountains, forest, or in general closer to the nature. The very fact that we using the expressions to closer to nature make it clear that we have over the years come far from it. Technology has definitely changed the way we lead lives compared to ancestors, but it cannot be denied this very technology has brought us away from nature, the place where we truly belong. Surrounding by the concrete jungle, we often forget that the life would have been possible on Earth without nature, which allow biological processes to thrive.